Mastering the phrase, swim across the pool. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into the depths of a common English phrase, swim across the pool. This phrase is not only about swimming but also about understanding direction and accomplishment in English. Stick with us to explore its meaning and usage, ensuring you can confidently use it in your conversations. Swim across the pool combines a verb, swim, and a prepositional phrase, across the pool. Swim is the action of moving through water by using your arms and legs. Across suggests movement from one side to the other, implying a completion of the journey. Therefore, when we say someone swims across the pool, we mean they start swimming at one end of the pool and continue until they reach the opposite side. It's a clear, straightforward action that shows movement and direction. 1. Swim. This verb is at the heart of our phrase. It's an action that most people are familiar with, even if they aren't proficient swimmers themselves. In our context, it denotes the act of propelling oneself through water. 2. Across. A preposition that indicates movement from one side to another. In spatial terms, it conveys the idea of traversing an area or space. 3. The pool. This is the setting of our action. A pool is a man-made body of water designed for swimming. The size of the pool can vary, but the action remains the same, moving from one end to the other. Understanding how to use swim across the pool in sentences is crucial for practical language application. Here are a few examples. During my morning workout, I swim across the pool 20 times. She challenged herself to swim across the pool without stopping. Can you swim across the pool? It's a great way to test your stamina. These sentences showcase different situations where the phrase might be used, emphasizing the action and the achievement involved in completing the swim. Swim across the pool is more than just a phrase about swimming. It's about setting a goal, moving forward, and accomplishing it. We hope this video has clarified its meaning and usage for you. Remember, practicing English in context is key to mastering the language. We're here to support you on your language learning journey, so keep swimming across the vast pool of English vocabulary and expressions. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.